Hello everyone, this is Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology in Meenakshi Chandrasekharan College of Arts and Science. Now we can discuss about spleen. Spleen is the largest lymphatic organ that acts as a filter for a blood and play an important role in immunity. It is located under the rib cage just above the stomach, abdomen in the left side of the stomach. The spleen stored and filter the blood and make WBC cells. These WBC cells make antibody. This antibody protect the infections, your body from the infections. Next, move on to structure of spleen. Spleen is a tetrahedral in shape and it is dark in purple color. The length of the spleen is approximately 7 cm to 14 cm and the weight of the spleen is approximately 150 to 200 grams. The spleen consists of two parts of tissues like white bulb and red bulb. White bulb produce WBC cells. Already I told you WBC cells make antibody. This antibody protects you from the infections and pathogens. Next, red bulb. Red bulb acts as a filter by removing the cellular waste and the old and damaged dead blood cells and also destroy the bacteria and viruses. Next, move on to functions of spleen. Spleen is an important reticuloendothelial system. It does phagocytosis. Do you know about phagocytosis? Phagocytosis is nothing but engulfing of bacteria and pathogens. The spleen is an important hemopoietic organ during the fetal life. Blood cells can be stored in the spleen and it is released into the circulation when it is needed. Next, what does the spleen do? There are many duties are done by spleen. Store the blood, filter the blood by removing cellular waste and make white blood cells. These white blood cells produce antibodies. This antibody protects you from the infections and maintain your body fluid level in your body. Next, conditions and disorders affect the spleen. Many disorders and conditions and diseases and injuries can affect the spleen. This problem include enlargement of spleen. Enlargement of spleen is nothing but splenomegaly. Several conditions can cause the spleen to swell and get too big. That is called the splenomegaly. An enlarged spleen can cause pain and uncomfortable feeling. The splenomegaly is caused by blood cancer, blood clotting in spleen and liver, and certain type of anemia, including hemolytic anemia, cystic fibrosis, and infections like syphilis and malaria and endocarditis. Next, liver problem and inflammatory diseases and protein disorders. These are all the factors that cause the splenomegaly. Next, move on to damaged or ruptured spleen. The spleen can rupture and from the injury and the trauma, some other car accident, when that is a life-threatening injury. Life-threatening injury can cause severe internal bleeding. The symptoms of ruptured spleen like quick heartbeat and nausea, dizziness and pain under the rib cage. Next, splenectomy. Splenectomy is the surgical removal of spleen. Several conditions can cause the damaged disease or diseased spleen when it is compulsory removed from your human body. Although the spleen does many important jobs in our body, it is possible to live without this spleen. This condition is called asplenia. And rarely some people are born without spleen when the liver take over the functions of spleen. Next, how can you keep your spleen healthy? To keep your spleen healthy and the lymphatic system and immune system working properly, you should drink plenty of water and exercise regularly and take a balanced diet with the plenty of fruit and vegetables and maintain your healthy weight. By staying healthy, you will keep your immune system properly. You protect from the infections. Thank you. Be safe.